So guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox 1 by 12 diecast scale model of Ducati Streetfighter by Maisto. So let's unbox this scale model. I had purchased this scale model from Flipkart, but now it's currently unavailable. This model looks really very realistic and it has movable parts also. Ducati had launched Street Fighter sports bike in the year 2009, and now its new model comes in the market. This model has working rear suspension, movable handlebar, detailed headlight, and rotating wheels also. Overall, the model is really very nice. I hope you enjoyed this cinematic video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so first of all, please subscribe it for daily updates. So let's enjoy this cinematic video.